What up guys, welcome back to Planet Mario. We got another video for you today. So we're going to be using this 3D printer to make Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. So this machine is used to make a lot of things like tools, toys, anything like that. So this printer is going to take 12 hours. So we're going to show you a time lapse to speed some things up. So you might have a chance to getting this Huggy Wuggy print. So comment down below so you might get a chance to win this free Huggy Wuggy. We'll pick a winner and we'll mail it to you. But you must be subscribed.
Or you're not gonna get it.
Let's get right into it. So Huggy Wuggy is a character from Poppy Playtime. It's a scary game. You can get it on mobile, iPad, your computer, anywhere like that. But you have to ask your parents so you can play it. And if they say no, it's because it's too scary. So this was a 12-hour print. We had to let it print for overnight. So guys, I hope you like the results. If you want a chance to win this, comment Huggy Wuggy below and we'll send it to you. So we'll pick a winner and send us our address so we can send it to you. You can maybe paint it or just leave it white. And yeah. So one of the arms fell off, so we had to glue it back on, but still came out great. That's it. So make sure to subscribe, click the bell, hit notifications so you know every way I post out. Thank you for watching. See ya. Peace.